म्हयन्यान इन कंपेरेटिवली एक दीस आनी कांय सकाळ सांगलो ते भाशेन की इवन इट वॉज वन डे वी ट्रायड आवर बेस्ट वॉटेवर वेज जे लोकांक गेले प्रश्न मांडपाक स्पेशली सकाळच्या वेळार जे एक मोठे स्कॅम ह्या सरकारान केलेले आहा हँड इन ग्लव्स विथ द ग्रीन सेस with the crony capitalist Adani, Jindal and all these people. हो इतलो कोल कोळसो हिंगा गोंयान आज बारीक लोकांक जावं वास्कोच्या मुरमुगांव पोर्टांत जावं दुसरे आख्खे गोंयांत जो कोळशाचो प्रॉब्लम आहा आज ह्या सरकारान दाखोवन दिलेले आहा बारीक लोकांनी जेन्ना एक बील इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बील हारिको ना एक दोन म्हयने जाल्यार कनेक्शन काट कोता नाव we are going to take this very, very seriously. Especially, it involves thousands of crores of rupees. This is the biggest fraud. This is the biggest fraud je maka dista we have highlighted in the starting of this year. The way selectively notices were sent, selectively the way the minister preferred the chief minister to answer. Basically, I believe there is no legislature department has failed miserably. आज बारीकशे दुसरे प्रश्न खास करून कुंकळच्या भागांत जे हेल्थ प्रॉब्लेम लोकांक जाता विथ रिगार्ड्स टू दी इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट पोल्यूशन and there is a report which says that so many cases of cirrhosis, skin allergy, cancer, pneumonia, yes, all the cases I highlighted and asked for a comprehensive health checkup in the entire Kunkoli municipal area. People are affected by this industrial pollution. It is said that few elected representatives have an eye to put a fish mill there. I will expose that also in the days to come. Who are these people? In case they think of coming there, setting up and troubling the locals. दूसरे आमचे जे calling attention आशिल्ले या दोन्ही calling attentionात we spoke. खास करून जे सारजोरा एक रेल्वे स्टेशन येता बेसिकली the answers were given were very vague that state centeracho subject more not of the state, it was the central subject. So this is basically done by directions from Delhi. Delhi cha ninga yata and they are giving them directions. The chief minister is not aware of absolutely nothing. There is no control. And with several private members' resolutions, today we got several issues with regards to MP-tin, pollution zada. Systematically due to dredging, the problems faced by local fishermen. It was this same Sarkar that brought the nationalization of rivers. And specifically when we say nationalization of rivers, this is not in the interest of the state. It had 43.2 million metric tons of coal will come to the port by 2035 as per the Sagarmala project. So it's good to see that opposition MLAs raising is okay. Even the ruling high, they are themselves fed up. Munkarial Act, OPOD Act, there was a private member's resolution. The total Munkarial cases and tenant cases altogether is huge. Is thousands of cases are pending. Why injustice to these people? There was a healthy discussion on that as well. They try to bombard the bills as usually. Zuari. We had said, Vijay Sardesai also highlighted in the past, we also said that this was one of the biggest scams. Today, our advocate Carlos Ferreira spoke on the bill in detail of how these people are hand in glove with these land grabbers, land shark. Nantar, I report, the present Kello with regards to the PUC of 14, 15, 15, 16. It was put for voting on the floor of the house and it was rejected. Ya lokank or report gode ticket laglo astolo. This is expected from people. We are here to take action against erring officials. You will not expect something from me that is very to the liking of the government. So definitely Makadista aaj hui na hui. At the end you could see the law minister trying to say that the casting aspirations on the speaker, and it was good that the speaker clarified that and put that particular thing for the PUC report for voting, and after which jenna म्हाका दिसता हिस्ट्रीन जायत पुसा पयले पुसा जाते. Today I am not sure whether a report that was adopted, after adoption of the report, it has been rejected based on this. That is म्हणजे तेंगे right, but हुई ना हुई चोयल्यार ही हुकुमशाही dictatorial approach of this government should stop. Several issues we expect. First of all, this is the temple of democracy. हिंगा session जे एक दिसा जाता, ये एक दिस session comparatively is not in the interest of the state. Issues well discussed here and highlighted can be improvised. So म्हाका दिसता this government is scared about facing the opposition.
So त्यांनी म्हटलं मुणकार जे केसी आता by 2026 क्लियर करतलो.
ती क्लियर कोत्ते तो मागीर उलोवपाचें. क्लियर तो जायत वस्तू सांगोता. क्लियर हे जातले तेच जाल्ले तो सांगोता. गेले ते वर्सा 2022 सांगलोलें एक वर्सान मिनिस्टर वॉज ऑन रिकॉर्ड, एक वर्सान आपूण कोतमो रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर. आतां ते एक वर्सां जालें आनी नाव वी आर ऑलमोस्ट इन 25. सो ते जायत कोत्या मो जायत सांगोता है, बट ते सगळे हेंगेल्यो हिस्ट्री विल रिपीट इट सेल्फ. आय एम क्वायट शुअर. आनी हे रेजोल्युशन आनी एक पुसा तेंगेलो आमदार जरी घालीत.
So we have a heated argument between Marvin and you.
See, Marvin Gudino needs to understand that whatever he will talk, he will get back the same medicine. Whatever was spoken inside has been expunged. But Marvin Gudino should concentrate on the work. He should not be busy. Too many times moving in farmhouse is not good. I don't have farmhouse. So I think जे local issue आहे, we should concentrate on this particular issues pertaining to the state of water.
So the water supply 24 hours म्हणटा न्हू, तर तेजेर
सांगेल मत तेका रेजोल्युशन आले 24 hours water supply. मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा 4 और मेटली मो ती 4 और कांय ना. आनी हर गल जल केल मोडे हर गल जल नोड बीड
वॉटर सप्लायचेर हांव सांगता. वॉटर सप्लायचे हर गल नल म्हणटा तें जल ना. आतां म्हगे केपेंचे मतदारसंघात वी मोस्ट ऑफ आर एरियाज लायक खोला, मोरपिल्ला, बार्शें दे आर युजींग नॅचरल रिसोर्सीस लायक स्प्रिंग, आनी तेंगले उदक नोड घायला आनी बील घेताय. I'm telling you, and this is on record, that tap has been fitted to spring waters and bills are coming. Only tap and pipeline घायल म्हणटा. आमगेले केपें मतदारसंघात आज पासून almost 35% of the population is going without water. दोन दिसान बीन उदक मेळटा. So a lot of things we have last 2 years I have tried to improve pipeline घायलेच म्हणा न्यू PWD काम केला म्हणा pipeline घेताय. We are trying to get that Jaika water line solve करपाक जाय. But what government is saying that 24 hours water supply cannot be taken. It is all total wrong, and हे लोकांक फसयताय. That is the only thing on this regarding water.
Thank you, sir.